Is your pension with L&G? Well, if it's with Legal & General and it's with any of their target date funds, have a look at this. We've just done this presentation, and I think you're going to find it really, really useful. Okay. This is what the MSCI World has done. Annualized return over the last 5 years, 13%. FTSE All Share, 11.5%. The L&G one we're looking at 6.4% annualized. What does that actually mean, though? Well, it means that you've had a shortfall of £47,500 in just 5 years if you compare it with the MSCI World. Not good, is it? What does that mean if you project that over 20 years? Because presumably you're planning to hold this for a prolonged period of time, and I've done this to show you, even though the target date is 2040, 15 years away, I'm going to show you just how bad things could get compared to just an index tracker. Forget investing with my knowledge and expertise, just with a simple index tracker. Well, you're left with 345,000 compared to 1.1 million. Okay. That's the problem with mediocrity. We go on to explain why this is the case and so often happens and why funds underperform. And it's very often not just fees, which is what people think, but that they're sacrificing equity growth because they think they're protecting you from downside volatility. In fact, when the markets fall, they fall with it. And when they do bonds, as we saw with what happened with when Liz Truss was Prime Minister, those bond valuations can drop severely as well. That's not to say it won't necessarily make things up as it goes forward towards the end of its lifetime, but certainly as things are progressing at the moment, I'd start getting worried that it's not delivering on what I want it to deliver, and more importantly, that all my hard-earned income, which has gone into it, has not been working as hard as it should be for me. I'll put those numbers again. It's half as much as just a simple world index tracker. And you might say, yes, but this is built over a long period of time. You're meant to hold it. Exactly. If you're meant to hold it for a long period of time, then you have no problems having something like a world index tracker. I'm not saying you should have a world index tracker. What I'm saying is there are some very simple, obvious gaps and problems. Okay. So, well, if you'd like to have a chat with me about getting an educational pension review done for something you hold, contact us, alpeshpatel.com/links. I'm in here to educate you. If you'd like a free copy of my book, Investing Unplugged, which goes through my 200 Financial Times columns on investing, then again, it's the same link, alpeshpatel.com/links. And do like and follow and subscribe and do all those things, please, because it really helps. Thank you very much.